and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. Ebb loved to have a good long breakfast. Morning, Ebb. Morning, Bird. I'm going for a ride, Ma. All right, Flo, but don't go too far. Coming, Ebb? Coming, Bird? Ebb didn't understand why Flo had to go so fast. Bird was not playing fair. Ebb just couldn't keep up. Ebb wondered if Flo noticed she was left behind. Ebb had run far enough. Come on, Ebb! Oh. It's a bit too fast for you, isn't it, Ebb? Why don't you go home and have a rest? I won't be long. Coming, Bird? Ebb was cross with herself for being slow. She was also a bit cross with Flo for cycling so fast. And for playing with Bird instead of her. Suddenly, Ebb wasn't cross anymore. And she hoped Flo wouldn't be when she saw the pillow. We're back! Ebb was expecting the worst. Oh, Ebb, what have you done? You felt upset being left alone, didn't you? Flo always knew how Ebb felt. Now it would just be the two of them. And the bike. Ebb wanted Flo to play fetch with her. Oh, thanks, Ebb. Maybe Flo wanted to play squeaky ball. I can't play with you right now, Ebb. Why don't you play with Bird? But Ebb didn't want to play with Bird. She wanted to play with Flo. Wait here, Ebb. I'll be back in a minute. Ebb couldn't believe it. Flo had left her behind again. Ebb wished she could fly too. We're back. Look, Ebb, this is for you. Things couldn't be better. And now it was her turn to be with Flo. Sorry, Bird. There's not enough room for you as well. Ebb felt sorry for not wanting Bird. She knew how it felt to be left behind. She was glad that Bird was coming after all. Nothing could stop them now.
Flo, tea time.